What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we caught this movement to the upside. That already brought us about almost 19% of potential profit. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for upcoming weeks. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when the price was at around $7.6 mark, and I've told you that because of this price action we have to see the bounce to the upside that should break at least this first swing high, and if and when it happens we can conclude that we are officially hit the bottom, at least for the short and medium term perspective. And as you can see, it acts exactly as I predicted. From this point, we're already up for about 18.8%. And in my technical analysis, I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. So first of all, let me show you this article that was published just several hours ago. And it's titled NIO website shows countdown as ET5 tooling launch less than 8 hours away. And it was published just several hours ago, and this is quite important sign for the company and for its sales, because NIO ET5 is one of the promising, in the opinion of several experts, is one of the most promising vehicles of NIO's lineup. And as you can see right here, we have different timelines for Chinese market and for European market, and for now, as you can see, we have exactly 8 hours left till this deadline, and definitely it is a very important step towards the domination of NIO on the European market. And let me show you another news that probably might not be so positive for NIO. And it was published just yesterday, and it says NIO denies after rumors of partnership with Mercedes-Benz swirl. A fake rumor yesterday claimed that Mercedes-Benz will use NIO's battery swap network and will build its next generation models based on NIO's standards. And let me quote you this. Rumors about a partnership between NIO and German luxury car maker Mercedes-Benz were widely circulated on Chinese social media networks yesterday, but this was later denied. One of the most widely circulated was an image with the text claiming that Mercedes-Benz would use NIO's battery swap network and would build next-generation battery swap-enabled models based on NIO's standards. In the comments section of a Weibo user's post sharing the image, NIO's legal department left a message later yesterday saying the image was a forgery. Ma Lin, NIO's senior director of corporate communications, later retweeted the message. As of press time, the Weibo post has been deleted. And let me show you this video that was published on Mr. P NIO videos channel. It gained more than 7,000 views in just 18 hours. And here he describes these rumors, and I have to say that he has some inside information regarding NIO. And in my opinion, these rumors still might be on the table, and definitely we might not see the exact details, and we might not see the partnership in terms of its battery swap stations, but it might be another type of partnership. And definitely we cannot rely on the rumors, but in general, I think these rumors also helped NIO to hit higher targets and to gain about almost 20% from our entry point. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and share this video with the friends and family. So guys, what should we expect next and how we caught this movement to the upside? Right here, as you can see from this top, we have several waves, and we had a breakout below this previous swing low at roughly $7.38. We had a perfect bounce from it like right here, but then we broke it to the downside, and eventually we had this movement to the upside that again broke this range. Let me mark it for you as the horizontal line, like this. Eventually we broke it to the upside, and I made my previous video right here. You know that everything that was a support should be a resistance and vice versa. And right here I've told you on my previous video that you could accumulate your position and this asset shouldn't break its lowest point of $7 because it is a psychological number and the previous swing low. And this was quite good setup with the downside potential, let me show you, of roughly 7% and upside potential at least 18%. So almost 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and we already have this risk to reward ratio on the table. And this was quite interesting setup, and it worked perfectly well. So what should you do next? If you follow my channel for quite some time and you entered your position right here, you can you have two options. First of all, you can leave your position right here and book about 19% of potential profit, or you can put your stop loss on a safer territory. You can put it exactly on your entry price in order to break even in worst case scenario, or you can put it slightly below $8 mark, because it is the next psychological number, and this range will give you up to almost 5% of potential profit, and it's also very good achievement in a matter of just a couple of weeks. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? Let's zoom out again and let me show you from the investor standpoint details, some details from the investor standpoint. So right here, as you can see, let's switch to weekly time frame and let me show you the latest candle again, the most recent one. And I've told you about this candle on my previous video. And you can see that this candle, let me show you it right here. This candle was a very good bullish candle despite its color, but next candle was a quite undecisive candle. And the next movement right here that we are experiencing right now most likely shows the strength of this asset, but you cannot count on the weekly time frame if you want to enter your short-term position. This means we have to take a closer look on hourly time frame or probably 4 hours time frame. And right here I have to say that we might see a pullback. Nobody knows how deep this pullback might be, but in general I have to say that if you see this type of movement that already brought to the table about 10, 15 or 20% of potential profit, do not try to enter the position. Yes, we have some possibilities that this asset might go higher and you might miss this trend. But in most cases, based on my experience, I have to say that most likely we should see this retracement. And during this retracement, we will have another potential entry point for the medium and long-term holders for NIO. And this will lead to much more lucrative potential profits. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.